Hi home cooks, today I'm in the kitchen making an easy layered pinto bean dip. This is an easy appetizer that everybody loves. If you want to make something homemade but still quick and easy, this pinto bean dip is a must try. Serve this with a side of tortilla chips, pita bread, crackers, and fresh veggies. This is an effortless party appetizer that's going to disappear fast. This recipe is perfect for parties when you need something quick and satisfying. Delicious appetizers don't have to be complicated. With just a few simple ingredients, you'll have an appetizer that's perfect for snacking. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make an easy layered pinto bean dip. For this recipe, we're going to start with 2 cans of pinto beans. Canned beans are already soft and ready to go, which makes this recipe extra quick and easy. I'm going to open 2 cans of pinto beans, place them in a colander to rinse and drain. Then add these to a large skillet. And to give my beans a quick and easy flavor boost, I'm going to add in 1 jar of salsa. Stir and mash these 2 ingredients together over medium heat. Once you have a warm, smooth but chunky mixture, it's ready to remove from the heat. Now you can make this whole recipe right in the pan that you're cooking it in, or you can remove the beans to a serving dish. I'm just going to layer my beans into the bottom of the dish and smooth them out. A large, shallow dish is perfect for this dip. That way when you're scooping, you can get all the flavors all at once. Next up, I'm going to prepare the fresh ingredients. Finely dice 1 medium tomato. Then I'm going to cut 1 small bell pepper and dice it to about the same size as the tomatoes. I'm using red bell pepper here, but any kind of bell pepper will work great for this recipe. And if you want an added kick to your dip, you could even mix in 1 diced jalapeno pepper. Now that my bean mixture has cooled slightly, I'm going to layer on top 1 small container of sour cream. Spread this out evenly on top of the beans. And next we're going to layer on top the diced fresh peppers and tomatoes. This will add the perfect fresh crunch texture to the smooth creamy dip underneath. Next up, I'm going to sprinkle on top about a cup of finely grated cheddar cheese. And for a little pop of color, I'm going to garnish the top with some fresh herbs. I'm using parsley here, but cilantro would be another great choice. And that's all there is to this quick and easy appetizer. This dip delivers big flavor with minimal effort. It's perfect for parties, game day, or potlucks. This is also a great make-ahead appetizer. It's just as delicious served warm or cold. And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.